In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export all contacts from Salesforce. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, which options to choose, and how to set up a clean, reliable export without any guesswork. Start by signing into your Salesforce account and head to the home page. From there, look to the top right for the gear icon. That's your settings menu. Click it, then choose the option that opens the full setup experience. This takes you into Salesforce's administrative area where all data tools live. Once you're in setup, use the quick find search bar on the left. Type data export. When you see data export show up in the results, click it to open the export tools. On this page, you'll typically see two choices, an on-demand export and a scheduled export. For this walkthrough, we're focusing on scheduled data export, which is the most reliable way to get complete, consistent backups and large data sets without timing out. Choose scheduled data export and set your timing. Pick a start date, an end date if needed, and a preferred start time. The start time is when Salesforce will begin preparing your files, so choose a window when your org is less busy. Your time zone will be shown on the page, so double check it if your team works across regions. Next, decide what data to include. If your goal is specifically contacts, you can select just the contacts object. If you're planning a broader backup, you can include all data instead. Keeping it to contacts only helps keep file sizes smaller and makes the final download easier to work with. If you also need related files or images, look for options on the page that let you include attachments and documents, but only enable those if they're relevant to your use case. When you're satisfied with the schedule and data selections, click Save. That's it for the setup. Salesforce will handle the heavy lifting from here. When the export is ready, you'll receive a notification with a link to download your files. Depending on volume, Salesforce may package the results into multiple compressed files. It's a good idea to download them promptly and store them securely, especially if your contacts contain sensitive information. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. You'll need the appropriate permissions to access data export, so if you don't see it, check with your admin. Also, larger orgs may take longer to process, so plan your timing accordingly. That's the full process for exporting all contacts from Salesforce using a scheduled export. Follow these steps and you'll have a clean, repeatable export ready whenever you need it.